Hi everybody, it's Robert Salter, the owl man. I'm just at this nest box here. 3 young barn owls in it. 5 week plus. I just wanted to show you this. There's 15 individual items of prey in this box. So that's absolutely huge food caches, that. So it just shows you what sort of a year we're having here in East Yorkshire. When there's such an abundance of voles like this is what the barn owl's breeding success depends on, is the abundance of voles. When you get years where they are, the vole numbers, the owls just won't be successful. So yeah, that's very large food caches, that. So these young owls should get off to a great start in this fantastic old barn. All these rafters where they can come out onto and perch, exercise the wings and get strong and ready for the outside world. So yeah, it's fantastic. Really good to see. I have already ringed the birds, but I didn't realise there was that much prey in the box. So I'll leave them be. Thanks for watching.